Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna double unbox it. I believe my wife purchased the same stylish high heel from Nordstrom. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the bottom up first since the label is right in there. And hopefully there's no invoice. So here is the product description and then the UPC code. This is Sarto by Franco Sarto and Alisa Senda. Gray suede size 8 medium. Let me give you guys a 360 view of the box. It seems like this has some kind of sticker on here. Nordstrom. And this is the shoes and the style number right there. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, this is like a suede, gray color, nice finish. Right here's the Velcro, so it's pretty easy for her to slip it on and slip it off. It's a nice cushion and padding right here. Somehow her heel right here got scraped. I'm not sure, this is kind of special wrap, so it was like peeling off. So she went over to Nordstrom and purchased more because she likes the comfort of these shoes. As you can see, it's pretty flexible. There's a nice detail right here, the chrome finish by the outsole. And this is rubber, which is a pretty strong rubber. Then this one is the other side of it. Let's go ahead and unbox the other one. So I'm not sure why they need to ship it out separately. Check it out. Shut the fuck up, bitch. So here's the stock number right here. Medium width, size 8. Probably the same pair, except it's a different color. So I guess they like to waste a shipping fee or something. So I'm not sure why they can ship it everything at the same time. So this one is like a black color. Somehow this one packaged pretty nicely. As an individual plastic wrap for the shoes. Also, this one is the navy color. So the suede right here match the color. Somehow this one is like a darker, is a darker brown. And here's the other pair, same outsole. What seems like somebody's trying them on. You can see the footprint. But it's not used because she hated it. It's like when somebody, unless it's whoever returned it. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one like always. Peace.